Whether offshore or onshore, operators in high pressure, high temperature, and other critical applications demand reliable, problem-free tubing connections to protect their wellbore integrity and production. It's in tough situations like this that the BTS two-step connection stands out. The BTS connection is a proprietary design of Benoit and is provided exclusively on tubing from Steel Service OilField Tubular Incorporated. Let's take a look at what makes the BTS connections so important in today's critical applications. As proven in both extended reach and horizontal wells, the BTS connection's two metal-to-metal seals, one internal and one external, protect against casing pressure in addition to wellbore contamination from clear brines or other annular fluids. Benoit BTS connections are designed with straight non-interference modified buttress threads. The non-interference low-stress design reduces galling and thread burning. The connection's integral design reduces the number of actual connections and potential leak paths by 50%, giving it a big advantage over threaded and coupled connections. The deep stabbing feature of the connection permits faster makeup by having two sets of threads making up simultaneously. With deep water rigs costing as much as $500,000 a day, the connection's faster makeup can save costly rig time. To further reduce costs, the BTS connection can be made up in triples and racked back. The connection makes up freely to about 1/64 of an inch standoff, or to about 1/4 turn prior to shouldering. BTS connections have large positive stop torque shoulders that allow the connections to make up to the same position each time, even after multiple makeups. This ensures that the BTS connection is less torque sensitive than many interference thread connections. The BTS connections also allow for indexing, which enables the alignment of control lines. And the low stress feature significantly decreases the potential for stress corrosion cracking in drilling environments with elevated chloride and hydrogen sulfide levels. Now that we've examined the detailed technical features of the BTS connection, let's look at what really counts in the oil field: performance. Even through the force of hurricanes and 70-foot waves, the BTS connection has proven time and again to be the connection of choice for security and reliability. An 80-degree turn in a short 100 feet was once considered an impossibility for production tubing. Today, the BTS two-step Advantage makes this achievable. This type of seal integrity under punishing conditions is why customers confidently rely on BTS. When the pressure is on, BTS tubing has repeatedly demonstrated its dependability, as proven at 18,000 feet in garden banks with a bottom hole pressure of 17,000 psi. Operators have called on Steel Service and Benoit to supply the longest extended reach wells in the Gulf of Mexico today, 31,000 feet in Viosca Knoll. In 1998, BTS connections were used on another Viosca Knoll project for the first spar in the Gulf of Mexico. They have also supplied the deepest spar in the Gulf, in Mississippi Canyon. In addition, BTS has been used in more than 500 wells on 45 other deepwater projects. In addition to the BTS connection's design and performance in the field, there's another reason this connection has such a loyal worldwide customer base, and that reason is the service and quality of two companies, Benoit and Steel Service OilField Tubular. Since 1982, the alliance between Steel Service OilField Tubular and Benoit has provided customers with consistently high-quality tubing, supplying an estimated 100 million feet of BTS pipe around the world. Named Supplier of the Year by the National Association of Purchasing Management's Petroleum Group, Steel Service OilField Tubular and Benoit are recognized examples of proven integrity and reliability. Benoit is ISO 9001 and API Q1 5CT certified. Each BTS connection is precision machined on state-of-the-art CNC lathes. Each thread is carefully inspected by trained, qualified machinists and gauged, checked, and certified by the Quality Assurance Department for dimensional accuracy. The tubulars provided by Steel Service are API monogrammed for alloy grades, and all 13 chrome products use proprietary JFE steel metallurgy. Steel Service's proprietary supply chain management system, Steel Direct, provides customers with the tools they need to meet their completion goals. Planning and sourcing with primary suppliers result in superior products and service at cost-effective prices. With the largest inventory of premium OCTG tubing, Steel Service is committed to managing our customers' risks by investing in a complete line of premium products to meet the ever-changing demands of today's difficult completion challenges. We bring together all related services from procurement and end finishing to assembly makeup, inspection, coating, and storage, with timely delivery to the well site. Steel Service maintains an inventory of steel grades from API L80 through S135, and 13 chrome and 85 yield, 95 yield, and Hyper 1 110 yield. All of Steel Service's carbon alloy pipe is a modified 4100 series 1% chrome grade steel that is proven to be more CO2 corrosion resistant than most carbon manganese chemistries. Because these items are manufactured to Steel Service specifications with longer than standard upsets, customers can expect extended life from the tubing supplied by Steel Service and Benoit. These products are in stock and ready for delivery in large or small quantities. By investing in a complete line of premium tubing products, Steel Service is committed to managing customers' risks and meeting their ever-changing completion demands. Our inventories of over 5 million feet in these grades let our customers concentrate on producing hydrocarbons and operate inventory-free, while our simplified order processing helps control their tubular costs and prevents idle assets from accumulating. For more than 25 years, Steel Service, OilField, Tubular, and Benoit have established themselves as the industry leader for cost efficiency, quality service, and superior products. Let us show you how this alliance can work for your next well completion.